Daly's popping up. Let's go.
Hughes is back at the Daily 9.
Be back.
Morning, boys.
Morning, Frank.
Morning, Frank.
Allie.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
So it looks like we're all biotech experts this morning.
Oh,
Big
I
news.
guess so.
Yeah, I see everyone's like, yeah, they're talking about cancer data. I'm like, shut up, dude. You don't know what you're talking
I know. Tell me about it.
You know, it's actually pretty big news. And I'm pretty sure they have one more readout as well any day now. So could be a good one. For people who don't know, I'm referring to Myrna.
Yeah. Maybe I'm wearing too much of a tinfoil hat or something, but I just don't see a world where our world lets anybody cure cancer. How much money it makes, but you know.
So
Maybe
it's a
I'm too
short.
tinfoil.
You got it. I'll short 1,000 shares.
So it's a short. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, that's a bit of a headline that makes me question. You know what I mean? Like, oh, Moderna just cured cancer.
So I believe what's actually happened was it was Moderna's technology, and then Merck was applying it to other stuff.
Gotcha.
It's that mRNA technology. And what I will say, I think if you can make people live longer, the lifetime value of that is worth more than whatever people are maybe making on or dying of cancer, I guess. So I would think solving it would be in the interest of economics. Not that I think that's how we should look at it, but
Yeah. No, totally. No, it's just instantly what my brain goes to. Yeah.
For the first time in like months, we just opened up with an overextended tick.
Oh.
The
So what
tick
does that
opened
mean,
up
Casey?
at like,
if you see that, like, what is that? What is going through your mind now if you see that?
usually that means trend day, but right out of the gate usually means we're going to pull back.
Heard that. Right out the gate. So you just swing to the downside.
So we shall see, but we opened up with a over 1,200 tick, which we haven't seen that in 1,000 years with this price action. So
Merck gotta have 500%.
let's go, Frank.
Buddy. Minxie popping up. Good morning, Minxie.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, by the way, we're back above the NFP low from Friday. So, yeah,
Good
keep an
eye.
eye on that.
Good eye. Yeah, definitely don't ignore that.
I just closed my Tempest AI swing for October. Massive gap up here this morning.
Oh, nice. So we do have a regular session hours gap, correct? Yes. We had midnight open below us. Love to catch a short for that gap fill in midnight open. Let's see how strong this market wants to be. Market might tell me, Jordan, you made enough money last night. I'm not going to give you nothing to go off of today. And that'll be all right. But I'm not a chart pattern guy, but this looks like a big bull flag under 4-hour gap, which is, I think, big target for bulls.
I wanted to long 640s, but we didn't tap it. 8 points away.
Tech relative strength here.
Let's get some squawk.
Sorry, Evan, but Meta is still getting destroyed.
She's still getting rent.
yeah, one has been ugly, yes.
Meta still dropping? Motherfucker.
Yeah. The less percentage today, but still down one, I mean. Ugly 538.
Let's see if this rips that 786. What's Dixie doing? Dixie's just
Circle just
dumping.
broke out of a little daily flag here.
The Rivian calls I called out yesterday are popping here. Up over 25%.
Oh, Dixie dumping.
If anyone took Tempest AI calls with me 2 days ago, absolute ripper today on that Moderna news. It's up 20% the stock alone.
I don't do if buts and maybes. I only do absolutes.
ES is coming in a little bit, but NQ's trying to hold.
Wow, Dixie.
Oh my God.
No wonder the long worked so well last night. Look at how much Dixie sold off. I wasn't even looking at that last night. My dumbass should have been.
Which gap gets filled first right here on SPX? Upside or downside?
What gap do we have?
You have
SPX. I see.
yeah, the 5-minute candle right now on SPX.
Dude,
You have a decent little gap upside and a decent little gap downside. Which one fills first this morning?
it's funny when you get so used to looking at futures contracts. You go on an SPX daily chart and you just see all these gaps, bro.
Yo, good morning, guys. What's up?
Morning, mate.
What's up, Maple?
Beautiful day.
GM.
I am short NQ, high risk. I'm using 3-minute CBC. Already long gold a couple times, banked on it. So maybe we can get a retracement back to VWAP 600 area, low 600s on NQ. No bias though. I don't have crazy size out of the gate.
I didn't. Were you trading last night? Maybe.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. I
You were
traded
with
Asia and then I shorted ES down to 700. Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
And then, dude, that 700 bounce, I was like, dude, thank God I know to like take profit on pivots like that.
Right? Yeah, psych level.
They ripped it right off of it.
I know. That's why this morning I'm more than happy to try something with a portion of profits that were made, but it's got to be obvious.
Yes, sir. Protect yourself.
Yeah.
Lowe's test NQ.
Hey, for any of the investors, Netflix looks pretty interesting.
That thing has been, I got a nice rip yesterday, and it's back doing it again today so far.
Oh, yes, it does. Rivian's still popping here. Those calls are now up 35%.
Another reason
There we
why.
go. New lows.
There you go.
Come on. Fill it. Fill it.
I'd also be willing to try something if it's obvious because one more
30-point gain
TP.
covered half.
Oh,
That's
yes.
dope.
One more TP and I'll be able to take payout on these accounts. So would like to hit something else, but not forcing it.
Evan, didn't you take some Apple calls a couple days ago? Those are probably perking up nicely.
I did take Apple call a couple days ago. I'm in the 315s and 325s expiring September 11th. I'm up 56% on the 315s.
Let's go, man.
I was planning for the Apple iPhone event to run up. I think this is just the opposite of the AI trade play, but I guess it worked. I haven't sold yet, though. KC, I did bring this up to you. I felt like a play that KC would join me in.
Yes, sir. And we talked about it a lot since then. Mentioned it yesterday as well. Looking very nice.
15-minute 9 bounce. I'm looking for the 15-minute 20 in VWAP. 600 bill breaker. Trail stop set break even just to protect myself on NQ shorts.
Yeah, I bring up Apple because that 310.50 level is a level that's been big for me.
Apple's hitting the daily 21 EMA right now. Over previous day high.
Yep.
We're at half back of the opening range gap right now.
Yeah, just don't love the look of this market. SPY is back to that NFP low number. So, yeah, back testing that. If we get any flush to the downside, like I said, I'll be looking for 765.
coming into the VWAP. It's so close. Come on, give me a 600 sweep. All right, we're tapping in. We're not at gap yet on ES, so I'm not going to long just yet. See if we continue.
We got 95 points here.
Let's go.
Shit. Here we go. There's VWAP, baby. VWAP target. Let's go. 100-pointer right there out of the gate.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go, mates.
Hell yeah.
All right, I'm going to cover a quarter here. 100-point gain MNQ.
Hell yeah.
About to gap fill. Open range.
Yeah, I'm just waiting here.
ES never hit the gap, though. Even though we're just coming back above VWAP. See how this 5 closes?
Kind of want a long here on SPY, but Q's looks like ass.
Yeah, we're getting that move down towards midnight open that I wanted to see, but didn't really move to the spot higher that I was looking for the rejection at. So I'm kind of in the same mindset. If they want to keep it drilling towards these areas, I'll actually look to long off of there.
SPX is in the gap downside now.
Mm-hmm.
Shall see.
Definitely popped it a little higher first before selling off. Could have been in this. And all these lows look so grabbable to the left. Dixie tapping into old gap from May 29th, June 1st.
Bit of bounce.
Yeah, crypto's been, for me anyways, a pretty good indicator of risk appetite, and Bitcoin spiking up above 64,500 and holding steady there. To me, signals that risk wants to come back into this market. So even though I'm looking for a little more downside, I'm not betting on that.
Yeah.
gold, relentless, dude. And we're testing a key daily pivot higher high, 509. We just back tested it. I'm not super bullish just because of the move that's already happened. Later entries means quicker profit taking, but really nice momentum off of the 3-minute on gold. You got NQ testing its 15-minute 20 EMA as well as VWAP here. This is opportunity 2 for me. It is going to flip short, so I think it's in my best interest to probably wait for the CBC to flip back long. Confirming buyers are holding a bid off of the 15-minute EMAs.
Should bounce on SPY and ES right there. Back test along.
Okay, we bounced off the Volt on Qs and trying to push higher here.
No long in queue and risk the VWAP sweep. Six 12s.
Trail stop remainder MNQ short in profit.
There's 15 points. I'm gonna go break even.
Nice. You took that long right there on spine ES. Nice bounce here.
And I'm out. That's annoying. We rejected off 238. I thought we would go through it.
Watch for the lower high rejection on SPY. I think that's 5-minute QQQ VWAP as well. Q still looks terrible. IWM is kind of holding up a little bit better. Half your tech is red, the other half is green.
Long MNQ, 20 EMA VWAP.
To get regular session gap fill. I was curious to see if they want to take out all those lows from pre-market at midnight open. Right below us.
Just flirting with VWAP still.
Take it to midnight.
And there goes QQQ. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye, little man.
AMD just got smoked. SpaceX, let's go.
Is it at 0 yet?
It's almost there.
There's midnight.
Platinum and Q, GG's guys.
GG's. Oh, goody mates.
Oh, dude,
Oh
this
my
is
goodness.
the first
Lows
loss in like 2
taken.
days.
There's those lows from pre-market
Look at
that I wanted to see.
QQQ.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'm long.
Me too.
Me too.
I took a little long on ES right here off of VWAP.
I'm long at 500s. I'm gonna risk this low.
One of the best pieces of advice I ever heard is put your entries where the masses put their stops, man. You guys are the definition of that right now. Fuck. Think about everybody that's just been long this whole morning. Where are they probably putting that stop? Probably at those most recent lows.
Dude, SpaceX, send SpaceX to 0.
Oh,
I took it
oh,
out.
SpaceX. Oh, everybody got so excited.
Yeah. Bye-bye, SpaceX.
Averages 481.
You close over that anchor VWAP, I'll shut up. I'll shut up. Till then. I ain't shutting up. SpaceX is a fucking short.
That's an
You-
ugly
and
short.
nobody in that chat, zero, nobody has business buying it until you're either over Genesis line or at least getting prices of under $100 in my opinion. No business. Anything in between is just noise. You're joking yourself in my opinion.
We're back in the chop zone from yesterday.
Someone said Iran
It's
news is the reason why we dropped. I don't know if that's true.
I don't know if that's true either.
I don't know if there's anything new. Yeah, I haven't seen anything yet today.
Okay. Apple keeps going. Netflix
Iran
keeps
is
going.
down.
Not saying that's ruled out though.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no.
I just saw someone say it, so I'm looking. I don't see anything either, though.
When it comes
Like
to
pre-market
news,
low,
I
you're telling me
assume
430.
everybody's smarter than me on that area.
God, Q's.
Q's is down. Yes, it's one of them.
Freaking look
Oh,
at
my.
AMD.
Oh,
Look at AMD. Oh my god.
Jeez. I'm not in this. Fuck.
If you don't hold this weight back above 430s or something.
MU selling.
Okay, so you like that video I did?
Dude, I love
With
that
the-
video.
I'm gonna start doing that more, where I hit TP on the phone and then I switch to my camera and you can see like whatever I'm doing in my real life. Isn't that dope? I thought that was sick as fuck.
Dude.
More of that coming. Show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Mama, if I hang around a bunch of millionaires, I'm bound to be the next one, right? Isn't that how it works? Just don't catch me hanging out. That's bad. All right, we'll be sweet. Swept the London lows now? Okay. London lows. Next big low I see is on a 4-hour time frame. It is at 6 o'clock August 6th. Ideally, I would say if we're really bullish, you want to hold midpoint of that area, of that wick. The reason I use midpoint of that specific wick and not any others is because that is the specific candle that tapped us into that 4-hour gap to the left and sent price higher and delivered price higher, right? So if we're very bullish, what is a bullish signature that I could look for? Well, 50% retracement hold of that wick.
I'm trimming some of my ES longs right here.
Oh,
Yeah, ES was the better one. I just didn't have enough drawdown on in Q.
There we go. Nice little VWAP, little tap and sweep, popping back up to EMA. So I'm going to move a stop to 7728 now. They're getting filled right here at 34. Bang.
Bye-bye.
I gotta think long pullbacks now.
All right, I am out majority of ES here at 7736 with a stop move up into profit.
Let's go.
The only thing that's holding up is SPY. Well, yeah, SPY. Sorry.
I'll tell you something else that's up.
Let me hear.
Shit, let me hear about it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me more. Tell me some more.
Tell me more. Tell me
I was gonna
more.
say I didn't hear it hit the desk yet, but I just heard it.
Shares hitting 138.95 at 1 p.m. now. Michael Romeo November Alpha.
Michael Romeo November Alpha. Moderna. Is that what people think I sound like when I talk about it?
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
Yes, baby.
Holy Apple. There we go. Calls no doubles.
Apple. Ah.
Apple, Netflix, that just boosting.
Yeah, Apple. I'm selling more of my calls up here. I sold half yesterday. I'm selling a quarter more today. These a quarter. Apple loves red tech. My God, Moderna's up 122%. Oh my God.
Dude, it's insane.
That's crazy. Estee Lauder's up 18%. What's that shit?
Estee Lauder, there were earnings this morning.
What's the sun moves?
Maybe a turnaround. Finally.
The turnaround.
Item again popping up now.
How's Dixie? Dixie still dumping? It's good for market up. Dixie's really rough.
Got some Drake on in the background?
I do. If Dixie keeps dumping, I'm watching that low from May 29th. We're in the next big spot. Or midpoint of that wick, of course. Same thing as NASDAQ. That's another bigger time frame wick in a gap. The old 50%. It's pretty bullish there.
Dude, SPX options move so fast. before I couldn't even call that one out, but I had to scalp puts on a 1 minute.
I did options once, I think.
Dude, on the Vanquish account, this thing is awesome.
Cool, and yeah, shout out co-hosting the spaces this morning. If those are out there want to trade options on prop, it's the place to do it is on Vanquish. I think they got 20% off right now. Don't at me on that. Maybe double check.
It's 20. It's 20.
Wolf.
It's 20.
Is it? Okay. Code Wolf gets you 20% off any account right now. So
Apple
check
with the
that out.
freaking ripper.
You want to sell options and do some spreads with knots? Get an advanced options account.
Yeah.
You just want a long and short. You can do the basic. I mean, pretty sick. Love to see it. Love to have an option to do so. You know, it's nice.
By the way, Meta, I did grab another October 16th $600 call, which was getting massive flow yesterday for September, October, November. So I did grab one of those, another one today when it was on the dip. The T-Mobile flow that we talked about live, it might have been when we switched over to the Wolf space, the Wolf trading space. They had T-Mobile October 16th 195 calls were extremely unusual. You never see flow that massive for T-Mobile. Those are also up
Short scalp.
23% today, and I'm riding those for probably a few days until we get into the 190s. The chart was also looking really good for T-Mobile too. TMUS.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, Dodgy giving his G-Wagon and Lamborghini back? No.
Knots, I'm going to follow you on that meta trade. I got October with you.
I love it. Yeah, I grabbed it yesterday. I'm down 4% after my ad. I was down, I think, like 9%, so it wasn't even like it was a major difference, but.
Yeah, probably nothing will come of this lawsuit.
I think they're going to have to pay something. It's not obviously what is expected right now. There's no way. It just doesn't work like that.
I can't tell if Dodgy's rage baiting or not.
The answer is probably yes, bro. I've never even spoken to him.
Oh, dude, he's the king of rage bait. Yeah.
Dude, he's so
not
good.
selling
I
that
love
shit.
it. I fucking love it.
Dude,
He's so good at it.
He is so good at it. The masses. Dodgy told me I'm Mog. I won in life. Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Fucking go, dude. I gotta meet up with him. We've had multiple times where we're like, bro, I just missed you. I was just in New York, or I was just out here. Now you're there. I owe him a chicken nugget.
Just one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we need.
Okay, tight.
Just a singular chicken nugget. Maybe a little honey mustard sauce with it. I want to film a video of me going, like, traveling, and it's just me holding a nugget. Like, you don't even see my face. It's just a clip of my fingers holding the nugget, and it's me, like, in the car, then on the plane, and then, like,
Yeah.
landing where I'm at, and then I'm giving it to Dodgy, dude. That shit would be so funny. Because those that know. Those that don't are like, why do you give them a chicken nugget? It was, like, this tweet way back, and long story short, I owe him a chicken nugget, so...
I'm long 496.
That's a dog right there.
Risking those pivot lows.
My alert on coin just went off for my calls. It's hitting the daily 21. Let me see where my coin calls are at. Oh, there you go, coin. Nice.
They're gonna stop me.
Netflix hit 80. Netflix is ripping. Meta's open up.
There we go. 10
better.
points, taking a trim and trailing the rest. Riskless.
Yo.
Stop loss is break even, and I'm out. That was good trade.
It was good.
That was good.
Ooh, Netflix at the 80 bomb. Good dang it.
Oh. Rivian, those calls are up. Coin, the calls are up. Coin is getting some good volume.
Oh, what Ravines did you get?
A 20 leaps.
Sure.
20 call leaps. Yeah.
My man. I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
If ES can break over 740s, I think we visit 45s and then 50s. I kind of still want to be long, but I can't long 30 points above where I just entered.
Yeah.
I will just wait. I can't trade options anymore as much as I want to. I made too much on that account for one day.
Yeah, I'm still in the ES long. I'm waiting to get filled on these starters for SPY. I want to see if it can wick down a little bit. Q's still looking weird, but Q's is sitting right on the daily 21. But it's still looking like a little bit heavier on that side. Vol D has been ripping all morning. Tick just hit the 0 line. All right.
Gold new highs. 3-minute EMA is guiding to the upside. We'll see if NQ wants to sweep previous day low or reach or below today.
I'm going to trim these coin calls here.
Oh, there's pivot break.
A little long opportunity somewhere down here, maybe?
Yeah, so I'm looking for
30-point gain, covered half. I'm in Q.
Okay, I just entered into an IREN, IREN, cash secure put for Friday. I sold the $36 puts. Currently, it's $40.10.
for Friday.
For Friday.
Dude, Apple calls 600%. What the shit? Give me the loot.
Let's go. I did just put an order to sell a little bit more than half of the 315s I was holding.
Let's go.
See if it fills me.
Day trader market news over here.
Swing trader market news.
Or swing trader market news, yeah.
Let's go.
I got the September 310s. I think I'm going to hold on to those for a little bit.
Heard that.
Oh my god, Netflix is pamping. $80.30.
Netflix pamp is real. Oh yeah, baby. Look at now you're actually breaking some previous highs on this bigger time frame. There we go. Finally, we've been in lower highs for how long now? Poor thing has not gotten a bump at all until now.
I grabbed long 447.
It's your chips right now. NVIDIA's still weak. AMD still weak.
I got a tight stop. Might get tagged right here.
Google's looking decent.
Meta's trying to hold up.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I think we could actually see a dump from the lows here. Like this act's fucking horrendous.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a lower low on NQ.
It doesn't look
We're,
good at all.
About 5 points. Yeah, I made the mistake. Like I tried a long off the 15-minute 20 earlier, and I got stopped. But as of right now, like I don't see a reason to long unless high or low or 15-minute CBC flips. I got an order under the bill, 400. Take more profit.
There you go.
Right there, boom, order filled, 80-point gain, covered a quarter.
Let's go.
There we go.
Yeah, Q's didn't even open above previous day high. Q's actually opened up right below it. So did IWM. The only thing that opened up above it was SPY.
Draining.
There goes Google popping up. The continuation from the buy signal, trying to go to pre-market highs. SPY just going to come back into the same zone from yesterday and chill here until FOMC minutes.
Yeah.
And for Apple, holy bejeebus.
Rest in peace, New York session.
Dude, we came to New York and we pumped it. We left New York and now, where's the buyers?
Yeah, literally. What happened?
I think they're all just watching Apple stock.
Yeah, it must be.
Makes sense.
Dude, your Mag 7 is pushing. Amazon pushing back up. Google just flipped green. New high of day. Big stick from the buy signal. Tesla's still green. Meta's green. Everything's green except for NVIDIA.
Just sold 4 out of the 6 Apple calls I bought. I bought for 4, sold for 940. There we go. I think I'm gonna roll up the other 2 back up to the 325 as well.
Love that.
I will say, when I'm calling out trades, we are in the raging bull market.
Hey, boo.
Bro, guys, there are still heavy bears. I was scrolling TikTok yesterday, and it's like this guy that's sitting there. He's like, guys, this is so serious. Hedge funds are shorting NASDAQ. Like, the biggest hedge funds in the world, they're short NASDAQ, bro. And, like, all the people in the comments are like, yeah, man, like, the big short, have you guys seen it? Like, this market's so fucked. Like, all of this. I'm like, oh my. I'm sitting there dying laughing last night in TikTok comments, bro. I'm like, there will always be liquidity for us, man. People genuinely are sitting there going, like, NASDAQ is heavily bearish right now. It's crazy.
They're putting on fucking spreadsheets that we can't. You don't understand why they're putting on something.
Yeah, like his whole thing was hedge funds. I'm like, bro, give a fuck about hedge funds, dude. Like, most of the time they're fucking wrong anyway. What are you talking about, dude? Like, you guys cooked.
Most of the time, they're just trying to get their book neutral and earn volatility or something like that. It's not like.
What made it even better is he's some guy that, like, it's like, doesn't even own a freaking computer. He's like a nature dude, and he's trying to speak on this. I'm like, no, you have no business talking about this, bro. Yeah, it's not your niche. Get out of here. I was just shocked with the amount of people in the comments that were like on board with it. Like, people watch that. That's why I hate those movies. The Big Short, any of these trading movies. The one about GameStop, all of them, horrible, because it just, people watch that shit and they think that they can do that, bro. No, you can't. Sorry to tell you, sorry to break your dreams. You're not going to do that.
By the way,
It's an amazing movie, though.
I'm looking right now.
They are great movies.
Those T-Mobile calls that were open yesterday at the 195 calls for October, they were closed today for over a $600,000 gain.
Damn.
Yeah, they already closed them. That's what it seems like based on what I'm looking at. So with that said, I'm up 35% on the swing. I'm going to close 2 of them. I have 3.
Yeah, Joe, I think I'm going to make a reply video to that guy, honestly, on TikTok.
That's tough.
Get some views.
If you put it on Instagram, I'll watch it.
Oh, I will. Always.
Based off of 80s right there on NQ, based off of VWAP right there on ES. ES held 7723. It's not like someone.
Trust stop remainder and profit, MNQ.
It's not like someone posted that zone. Who could have possibly told you that?
What a pop. Okay, I'm looking for a call spread. I mean, sorry, I put spreads.
VWAP again on ES.
And he's so clear to.
All right, make sure you trim off some of these coin calls. Oh my gosh. Sweet mother pearl, that's a candle.
Sweet mother pearl.
I'm trying to get filled at $640 per contract, but I don't think it's going to fill. I mean, I want to take a $630 fill. They filled me. All right, about 30%. Got a daily level right here at 155.4. This is going to be your high from. I got no fucking idea. Friday, August 7th, and like pre-market highs at Monday, August 10th.
You're high from Sunday.
Yeah. I sent a tweet out, and I said coin was going to hit 160. by Friday, and I would delete the tweet if I was wrong. So far, we're looking good.
And I would delete.
I did. I said it in the post. I said coin going to 160 by Friday. We'll delete if wrong.
That shit's funny.
Oh.
That was a good one. I like that.
But I can't believe I did not have that resting order right there for ES. Fucking in my SPY calls. I was looking at T-Mobile. For calling T-Mobile.
Hey,
Hey, my Microsoft calls are green. What? You know what I'm having for lunch? Soup.
I need a banger. You know what I mean? Some baboni. Baboni.
La di da di da.
Gosh dang it, SPY. Can't believe I fucking missed it. Checking into your job.
Erg is the name. Bembala did the chain.
Yeah.
Photo watch. Reggie playing the music.
I'm actually done trading for today. I just locked my account. Gween. Read on DLL on others when I tried the NQ longs where ES was the stronger one. And then green on the other account.
Let's go.
Yeah, if you guys are trading with us in the audience, throw a 1 in the chat if you guys are green. Throw a 2 in the chat if you guys are red today. And a 0 if you're taking no trades or break even. Let us know you guys are trading this morning. I'm a 1, but I haven't taken anything in this actual session yet, so just chilling.
I'm just looking choppy on SPY.
Otra moda por ser.
Meta's still holding up. She ain't doing much, but she's not dumping.
I just took some IBIT calls for October. I think Bitcoin's ready to bubble up here. But that's going to do it for me today as well, guys. Been fun. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Great day, Blake. See you tomorrow.
Later, Blake.
If you guys in the audience aren't following all the speakers that join us every single morning, definitely should. Shout out to the crew.
I think I just have to put an emoji on the meta chart, and that should start some movement here. Let's see meta rep closer to 550. All right, magnet is engaged.
Magnet is engaged
on the chart here. Oh, Jordan, did you see my text yesterday?
No.
Dude, okay, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
So, do you know the company that makes like the real, like live action, like Iron Man helmets?
Yes, I want one.
I reached out to the company and I told them what I do for a living and live streaming on YouTube with you guys and everything. And the brand manager reached out to me. He said he used to be a trader as well. He still trades Forex and has some investments and stuff. So we got to talking, and I'm going to make some content for them. And they're sending me an Iron Man helmet to have. So I'm going to have it in my office.
Get one that closes and does all the things?
Yes.
So it's the one that you talk to Jarvis.
Dude, no, I
told him.
I need to buy one for video.
I told him, I was like, we joke on live stream all the time, like Jarvis, long NQ.
Yeah.
Like, and they just thought that was funny. So, he's gonna send me. I think he DM'd me back this morning. He's gonna go ahead and send it out, and I'm gonna make a little bit of content with the videos and send it to them. That way they can post it on like their social media and stuff like that too. But
I should get the new Spider-Man mask that has the movable eyes, and we'll just be the fucking Avengers on stream. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the movable eyes because you're gonna be Iron Man. We can't both be Iron Man. I gotta get the Spidey mask because Spider-Man's my favorite anyway. Dude.
Oh wait,
okay.
I was going back and forth if I wanted like the original gold and red one.
Black one or something.
But then they have the all stealth mode, which is the black one, and the eyes actually light up blue, which fits, Casey trades color.
That's
so he's sending me the all black one.
Let's go. I will be ordering a spider mask.
I mean,
what company was that? Or you can text it to me if you don't want to say.
Yeah. I'll DM you.
Yeah.
He just messaged me. He told me to go check my email. I think it's confirmation. Let me see.
Oh, I want the movable eyes, Spidey, bro. I need it.
Let me here. I'll actually show you where I reached out to them in the conversation.
$1 billion are becoming Spider-Man with your bro. Me and bro, before we can even finish the sentence, are already fighting. Already fighting the enemies.
Okay. All right. I just texted you, Jordy.
Bad. Nueva York.
$380 helps.
Yeah, I kind of want to take those long again. I'm just not trying to get chopped up on SPY because it's setting up for it.
Oh my gosh.
Moderna is freaking going berserk right now.
Berserker?
Yeah.
Oh my god, up 155%.
That's freaking nuts. Yeah, I'm closing that shit. That's nuts.
No position, but gold on an absolute tear. 20 points off the orb.
Oh my gosh, Casey, they make
Mm-hmm.
They have the brand new gay Spider-Man mask. They have the OG Tobey Maguire like black
Dude,
Spider-Man mask.
they have so many cool things.
Brother.
Hey guys, screen is going to be on. I'm just going to be away from the screen for about like 15, 20 minutes.
How much better would
So
that
you'll
look
be able to
on
see everything
the
here.
public?
This is all updating, and you'll see it all.
I'd give up everything to be. I'd give it all up. Everything.
Dude, I'm so close to passing this English counter. Really up on one too. I'm done trading today. I made a good chunk on it. Nice. I just hope it didn't beat my consistency. Even if it did, I'm not gonna go in and try to lose and get it lower.
I think that's a good question. What do you guys prefer? Like consistency accounts or no consistency accounts, like 5 days, 5 green days for a payout?
I like the 5 green days.
Yeah, I like the flex kind of path as well.
I think that it's better because it's just one less thing to think about. But like you're still gonna probably want to build a buffer ish before you take a payout. So I feel like it ends up working the same way, but it just feels different.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. There's been days where on a pro account, like Lucid, I'll target $300 and you're not over the buffer, so it ends up being 5 days anyway. So that's why I prefer the flex, because the problem I have with consistency pundits is you have one red day, your consistency is really skewed, right?
Mm-hmm. That's a good point.
Like, hey, I got 4 green days, and I have one red day where I only need one more red day, and I can still get a payout.
Mm-hmm. That's a great point.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the daily payout accounts either, because a lot of the time you may, with most of them, you maybe get daily payouts, but the amount of payouts that you can take total in that week doesn't even make sense to have daily payouts. It's like the cap that they have you at. Like a lot of the time they'll make it to where you can take as many daily payouts as you want, but it can't it can't be more than double what your previous payout was for that entire week. And most of them, the ones on Tradeify, max payout is $1,000. So it's not even worth it. I'd rather have 5 days. It's not even worth it to get daily payouts, because even if I make a ton of money, I can't even withdraw it anyway, because they won't let you do over double.
I know a firm that has no payout caps.
Ooh.
Do you now? What?
And I know a firm that has payout protection.
Oh.
The only firm in the whole entire industry.
Dude, it's got PP.
It is.
Maybe
Payout protection.
maybe we will talk about this firm.
I'm intrigued.
Dude, I need that PP firm.
I think you already got enough PP there, Maple. You got enough PP.
He has so much you need to learn to share with others.
Yeah, come on.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, well, I'll keep you updated though.
Heard that.
Mm-hmm.
What a smell. holding 5-minute gap so far. Let's see if we need to trade into that a little bit further. Great spot to take some off if you've been long. That's 636, most recent high for the left. Next up for that, I have your relative equal highs from pre-market 748, that area, and then full target 4-hour gap 785.
I have to give credit where credit is due. As much as this pains me to say, congratulations, Evan, on a good Apple trade setup right here. Dude, Apple up almost 3% today. It's in the gap going for $320 when, it looked like shit and no one else wanted it. Evan was there. And
Evan was there.
He was the first one to give the thesis on it. And this was a really great setup and a really great trade. So, shout out to Evan because this was really cool to watch and play out.
It doesn't happen often, but when it does, I will let everyone know.
Love to see it. But probably forgot about white label. Had to go white label shit when he stepped out of his body and finally got hot.
Look at that, 772.51 high of day, 772.47 off by 4 pennies for full target.
Nowadays, y'all don't want to put in no word. Y'all just want to fucking lie.
Baby boy, please.
E.
Yeah. Fine. What's my name? I said to the left, you gotta come in. I popped out. Push your left, push back and down. We might do the same if we tough on that. Come on, 5-minute gap. Give me supreme delivery, please. Por favor, mi amigo, otra ronda. Está bien. I went St. John the Baptist on a lamb. I'm gonna go St. John the Baptist on the lamb one of these days. It got slow. See if they can hold trend, Mr. Bulls. 15-minute gap right above our heads at 636 could be an issue initially. I just fucking really off so fast. After 40 bitches out on some fast shit. Can't even tell you what day it is out. It's for so long. Would you take me higher? One has that. She's a track star. Come on, you ain't fat, but you exercise. Come on. You exercise. Trying to just body shame aspects so it does what I want. That's foolproof.
No.
I see it. Oh, Senator. Do it, sir. Really big families. Give me a ripper. Over that high. 636. Dixie doesn't know what the fuck he wants to do. Say oh shit. That's pretty for a close blood show this. Reminder, guys, if you're in the audience hanging out with us this morning, you didn't hear me say it earlier, or you haven't done it yet, throw a 1 in the chat if you guys are agreeing with us. Throw a 2 in the chat if you're red, and a 0 if you're taking no trades or break even. Also, a reminder, no shame on whatever you put in there. Nobody cares. We just like to see how the crew's doing, you know. But don't feel bad if you're red. I've had red trades like this entire week and last week. But guess what? One banger last night made me everything back.
Everybody starts somewhere.
Yeah. That's why I find it so funny too. Gosh, I'll post like it's funny. I'll get on a little lost streak like I was on for the past week, and motherfuckers in the comments get real mouthy, man, get real loud. You know, Jordan this, Jordan that, this trading, and then I hit, you know, every time I'm up hundreds of points, everybody real quiet. You know. They should have to lose.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. I'll be in chat. I'll catch you later.